good evening. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. So what were we discussing yesterday? We were doing problems based on phone, right? Right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have asked others to join too, sir.
In the meanwhile, we'll get started because we're already late. Okay, we'll get started.
Okay, sir.
So the next concept we are supposed to discuss is about the sphere, right? So basically, sphere is a three-dimensional shape where every point on that sphere from a fixed point called as the center is a constant. Am I right? So now we are going to discuss about So now we are going to discuss about the surface area of a sphere. So what is the surface area of a sphere? It is going to be 4 pi r square. And what is going to be the volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3
pi r cube.
Pi r cube. Right? Similarly, if we think of hemisphere. So what is hemisphere? Hemisphere is going to be half of that of a sphere. Yes. So when you're going to take a hemisphere like this, if this is going to be R, and this is also going to be R, right? So what is going to be the curved surface area of a hemisphere? It is going to be 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square.
What is going to be the total surface area of it? It is going to be 2 pi r square.
3 pi r square.
That's right, 3 pi r square. Then what is going to be the volume of it? It will be
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3.
Yes. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are all the points that we need to make a note of, right? The next is, so I hope you are making a note, no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Next. We have a spherical shell, right? So what do you mean by a spherical shell?
Sir, it's like a hollow sphere. More like
Yes,
a
it's a
donut
hollow,
thing.
it's a hollow sphere, right? So if I have a spherical shell of some thickness, which is capital R minus small r. So when I say thickness, I'm trying to talk about this region, right? If this is going to be a spherical shell, then what is going to be the, so for spherical shell, so what is going to be the surface area of it? Surface area will be equal to 4 pi into capital R square minus small r square. Right? Why is it happening? Because surface area of outer sphere is how much? 4 pi capital R square. Surface area of inner sphere is how much? It is 4 pi small r square. So what is going to be the surface area of the shape? It is 4 pi r square minus 4 pi small r square. So 4 pi into capital R square minus small r square. Right.
Yes, sir.
So with this knowledge, we are ready to solve the problems from your textbook. So page 283, illustration 10. Okay. First, what is the question? The hollow sphere in which the circus motorcyclist performs his stunts has a diameter of 7 meter. Right? So there is a hollow sphere. Right. So in that hollow sphere, there is a motorcyclist who's trying to perform a stunt. Means they are trying to revolve around the inner part or inner surface of this particular sphere that is considered. So diameter is given as 7 meters. So what is going to be the radius? It is going to
3
be
by 2, 3.5. Sir, it would be convenient if we keep it as 7 by 2 itself, right?
yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. So it is going to be 3.5 meters. So find the area available. So area is going to be how much? 4 pi r square. So 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 and this will go 11. So 22 into 7 is going to give us 154 meter square. So 22 into 7 will give us 154 meter square. Right.
Yes, sir.
So look at the 11th one. A hemispherical dome of a building. What do you mean by dome? It is going to be at the top, no? Hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6. So what is going to be the circumference of a hemisphere? I mean, circumference of base of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is given as 17.6 meter. Find the cost of painting it. Given cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. So if I have a dome, I'm not concerned about the building. So for the dome, I'm given the circumference. So when circumference is known to me, I need to find the cost of painting. So what is going to be the surface area of this hemisphere?
Sir, we have to find curved surface area, which is 2 pi r square.
Why curved surface area? Why not total surface area?
Sir, we don't paint the bottom part, right, sir?
Yes, had it been like this, so it is going to be a dome like this. So it will be on the top of a building. So bottom part is not going to get painted. It is only the outer surface. Right. So 2 pi r square is how much is what we need to find. What is the data we have in our hand? 2 pi r is equal to 17.6. So what I thought is I'll write this as 2 pi r into r and then solve, but I can't do that because I don't know the value of r. So 2 into, I have to find the value, 22 by 7 into r is equal to 17.6. So how much are you going to get the value of r as? So 17.6, can you write it as 176 divided by 10? So 44 into r divided by 7 is equal to 176 by 10. 44, how many times will it cancel? 4 times. So r will be equal to 28 by 10, or it is going to be 2.8 meter. Is there anyone having doubt in this? 44 force is 176.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. So it is 2.8 meter. So how to find the circumference? 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.8. Can I write it as 28 by 10 into 28 by 10? I mean, 2.8, I'll write it as 28 by 10. But since I have r square here, I wrote it twice. So this will cancel this 2 times. So 4, here it is going to be 5. So 22 into 4, that is 88. $88 into 28 divided by 50. Correct? So these many meter square is what is going to be the answer. Okay. I think the multiplication part you can do it because the number in the denominator is simple. Right. So that part
Yes,
is left.
sir.
Now the question is, if you read the question, what did they say? What is the costing? It is costing rupees 5 per 100 centimeters square. We have the unit here in terms of meter square. Tell me, 1 meter is how many centimeter? Centimeters 100. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. I hope. Yes, but we have in meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square. That is 10 power 4 centimeter square. So what I'll do is whatever answer I get here, let me call it as x. So x into 10 power 4 centimeter square is the amount of area that is to be painted. Okay. So x into 10 power 4 divided by 10 square into 5 will give me the answer. Can someone tell me why I wrote it like this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
I had some problem with my system, so I was not able to join on time. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Who is this?
Girija, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, I want an answer, guys. Why did I write x into 10 power 4 by 10 square into 5? Because 100 centimeters,
It costs 5 rupees.
5 rupees. So, x into 10 power 4 centimeters square will cost how much? That is x into 10 power 4 divided by 100. Can I write it as 10 square?
Yes.
Into this 5. That is why I wrote this equation. If you see in textbook, they would have found the value of x. They would have got the value of x here and they would have multiplied it with 500. Why is that 500? Because this 10 power 4 and 10 square will get cancelled 10 square times. So 10 square into 5 is 500. Okay.
Okay.
So
Sir.
will you be able to do that part alone? Leave some
Yes.
space, try it out. Next. Internal and external diameters, 12th one. The internal and external diameters of hollow hemispherical vessels are 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So we have.
Sorry, sir. There was some network issue, so I couldn't hear that time. I'm back.
Okay. Now you are able to know.
Yeah, now I'm able to hear.
Good. So the external diameter is given as 25 centimeter. The internal diameter is given as 24
24
centimeter.
centimeter.
So what is going to be the radius? 25 by 2 here. Smaller will be 24 by 2. That is going to be 12 centimeter.
12 centimeter and the R will be 12.5 centimeter. 20.
Now let's leave it in fraction. That's
Yeah,
what I
you can
told you.
leave it a fraction.
Yes. So if the cost of painting 1 centimeter square of the surface area. So generally when you talk about the surface area here, what are you going to paint? Since this bowl
Yeah.
that is exposed in all the sides. what is happening? Since the hemispherical bowl, unlike the previous problem, is exposed in all the sides, what can you say? Where all do you paint? You will paint the curved surface area,
Yeah, we
right?
can paint the curved surface area and the curved surface area of the inner
Internal
bowl.
part,
And as it's hollow, we can
and
as it's
this
hollow, we can
thickness
also
also.
have the area. Yeah, we can also do that.
We will also paint this thickness. Am I right?
Yeah.
So
So
having
2
this
pi
in
r
mind,
square plus 2 pi r square plus pi r square minus the small r square.
yes. So here the total, we are finding the total surface area. So total surface area is equal to curved surface area of inner part plus curved surface area of outer part plus the thickness, the thickness area. Okay. So 4 pi small r square plus 4 pi capital R square plus pi into capital R square minus small r square. Am I right?
Sir, why 4? Sir, it's 2, right?
Oh, sorry, 2. Sorry. Hemisphere, no? Yeah, 2. So 2 pi into capital small r square plus 2 pi into capital R square. Right. So what will I take
Yes,
out?
sir.
So pi into 2.
You can take pi common.
2 pi itself we can take, no?
Yeah, 2 pi. 2 pi. Okay, yeah, 2 pi. Correct.
R square plus capital R square plus I'll leave
Pi
this
r
pi.
plus r.
Yeah, R plus R and R minus R we can do. It will be
Yeah.
easy for us. Instead of squaring them, we'll apply A square minus B square. So R plus R into R minus R. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is small r square? 144
144 plus
plus 25 square,
25 by 2.
625 by 4.
625 by 4.
Correct? Plus
Yeah.
pi into capital R is
Capital R again 25 by 2 plus 12.
plus, I'll write it as 24 by 2 so that LCM headache I need not take. 25 by 2 minus 24 by 2. Can I write it like this?
Okay. Yeah.
So it is going to be 44 by 7 into 14 plus 4 is going to give us 570. Sorry, 144 into 4 is going to give us 576. No? So it is going to give us 576 plus 625 by 4 plus pi into 25 plus 24 is, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll write this as 22 by 7. So 25 plus 24 is 49 by 2 into 25 minus 24 is 1. You have a 2 in the denominator. So this will cancel 11 times. Here it is going to cancel 7 times. So 44 by 7 into, tell me how much is this going to be? 1, 0, 1201 by 4.
Yes, sir. Plus 77 by 2.
So 1201, is it divisible by 7?
1201.
I don't think so. It is divisible by 11. So here it will get cancelled 11 times. So 11 by 7 into 1201 plus 77 by 2. You can take LCM and then solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir. If you take LCM, you'll be getting 1925.79.
Okay. So, but what is the question they are asking? They want the cost.
They are asking the cost. First, we have to find the cost of this area. So it's 1925.79 centimeter square.
So this is in centimeter square only, no?
Yeah.
So this is in centimeter square, and cost of 1 centimeter square is
0.05 rupees.
So 0.05 rupees. So since it is in centimeter square, find this value and multiply it with 0.05 or 5 by 100. Both will give you the same answer.
Yeah.
That part I'm leaving it to you.
Okay. Square surface area is 1925.79 centimeter square.
1925.79. Okay.
79. I rounded it to 80.
So 1925.79 into 5 by 100 is going to be the answer. So this 100 will push the
I
decimal
rounded
value.
1925.79 to 1925.8.
That is also fine. So 192, now you will get 19.2579 into 5. That will give you the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. So those who want to copy it,
96.29.
copy it. 96.29.
Yeah. With having 1925.79, not 1925.8.
Yes. See, by now you should have understood that most of the problems they'll give you the numbers closer to the multiples of 7. Mostly as multiples of 7 only. If not only the fraction will come, but if not only the decimal values will come into picture. So as I suggested, no, deal everything with fractions, don't go with decimal. Decimal value, do it only at the end. So 13th, very big question. Yeah. A toy is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere on one end of the cone, one end and a cone on the other side. Okay. The height and radius of the base of the cylindrical part are 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. The radius of the hemisphere and the base of the conical part are the same as that of the cylinder. Calculate the surface area of the toy if the height of the cone is 12 centimeter. So logically tell me which side is the hemisphere supposed to be. Can I put hemisphere here and cone at the bottom? This is not how we are going to. It can still be, but you should hold it in your hand. So they didn't tell which one is the base or which one is the top. They told it is acting. They are placed at one of the ends. That's it.
Sir, but it's not gonna matter, right?
It's not going to. You'll get the same answer.
Then why should we even care that however it's placed?
Thinking like, if at all you want to know.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to know? There'll be people who want to know. Huh? If you make the toy, will you be able to make it stand with the cone at the bottom?
Yes.
How? You'll poke it into something. No?
No, by spinning it.
How much time will you spend? Continuous
I don't know.
rotation.
Oh yeah, I just maybe using some electrical energy to make it rotate or something.
You can
Maybe
do.
that is good.
So it is 5 centimeter. Okay. Something like this. Now, what are they asking? The radius of the, okay. Calculate the surface area of the toy. Here, what surface area can you calculate?
Cylinders.
No, toy, surface area of the toy means you will find the curved surface area of hemisphere
Yes, sir.
plus
So
the
a
curved
curved surface of the cylinder,
plus a
curved
lateral,
surface, I mean, lateral surface.
sorry, curved surface area, not so.
Both are some.
Both. See, lateral is generally used for rectangles and cuboids and cubes. Anyways, what is going to be the surface area of the hemisphere? 2 pi r square plus the curved surface area of cylinder is going to be 2 pi
2 pi RH.
RH plus the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. So if I take pi r outside, I'll have 2r plus 2h
So first we
plus.
have to find the height of the conical. And height.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Length. 2r plus 2h. It's simple. 13 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Plus
13.
L. Because 5, 12, and 13 are Pythagorean triplets.
Yeah.
I hope everybody knows this, no?
Yes, sir. Pythagorean triplets.
5, 12, and 13 are Pythagorean triplets. So having that in mind, 22 by 7 into what is the value of R? It is 5. 1 minute. 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 2 into R is 5 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 13 plus the length of the cone is 13. So 110 by 7 into 10 plus 26 plus 13. How much is this coming out to be? Is it 49? See how beautifully it is getting cancelled. It is going to be 7. It's going to be 770 centimeters square.
70 centimeter cube.
Square. It's area, no?
Okay.
I hope it is clear, no? See, but this 13 and all, don't write this Pythagorean triplets when you're writing it in the board exam. You have to show the steps. Root of 5 square plus 12 square, root 169 and 13 and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So the next set of problems that we are supposed to start is volume of solids. So when I talk about the volume of solid, we have already discussed. First, let's discuss for a cube. So for a cube, what is the volume? A cube. For a cuboid, what is going to be the volume? Length
A
into
cube, sir.
yeah.
L
For
into B
cube,
into H.
yes. For cylinder,
Cylinder, it's gonna be this one, pi r square H.
pi r square. How do you actually get the volume? Volume is the base area multiplied
Area of
with
the
the
base into the height.
height, or you can use the word thickness. Both mean the same. So volume is
Yeah.
base area into thickness. Okay. What about the cone's volume? It is 1/3 of pi r square h. Then volume of
Yeah.
sphere we have discussed. It is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of
Hemisphere
hemisphere
is 2/3 pi r square. It's half of sphere.
2/3 pi r cube. No.
Yeah, pi r cube. Yeah.
So based on this, we are ready to solve the problems. Okay. So first, if you look at the example number 14, what is the volume of a cube if edge of the cube is 4 centimeter? Tell it in 10 seconds.
64. 4
That's
into
it.
4, 16 into 4, 64.
So 4 cube is 64 centimeter cube. Right. Next. 15th is a good problem. Read and try to do it on your own. So the length of a cold storage. Okay, you guys do it. No? Let me see. Don't look at the solution. Do it genuinely.
Sir, it's 216 meter cube, sir.
So how did you do? So what is the question?
Sir, very
Very simple.
okay,
Huh?
sir. Yeah, sir. Length, it's given that the length of course is double its breadth, so L is equal to 2 times the breadth, and the height
Okay.
is given as 3 meters. Now, first we'll substitute in they have also given the area of the walls. This one, including the doors, 108 meters square. So if you
Okay.
substitute in the formula 2 into L plus B into H, which is equal to 108 meter square, you can substitute and you'll get the breadth as 6 meters. Then if you
Okay.
take L is 2B, so we get it as 12 meters. Now again
And
to
they have
find the volume, it's L into B into H. So it's
They're
gonna
given
be
the-
26 into 3 216.
That's right.
Sir, I
So
also
this
got
is
the answer.
you also got the answer, but you're able to visualize the diagram. So
Yes,
length
sir.
into breadth is equal to how much is how much have they given?
Length into breadth.
How much
No, they
have
have
they
not
given?
given length into breadth.
Okay.
They have given length is equal to 2 times the breadth.
So length is 2 times the breadth. Okay, let this be equation number 1. Height is given to be
3
3
meters.
meters. Let this be equation number 2. The area of its 4 walls. So area of its 4 walls means
The lateral one. Lateral surface area. Lateral. Sir, sir,
Sir? Sir? Sir, you're not audible.
sir, you can hear us or can we just leave the meeting? It's 4:30. Okay, sir. 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 Hey. Shh.
sorry, had some network issue. Till what? Where was you audible?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Till
you are
where was
like,
it?
you're saying about the L is equal to 2B and we are talking about the lateral surface area, the 4 walls. 2 into L plus B into H.
Yeah, it got cancelled here itself. Huh? I completed and I proceeded to next one.
Oh,
Okay.
you can
So
just
2
go to the
into L
next
plus.
one then.
Yeah, I think there was some network issue. So 2H into L plus B is 108. So 2 into height is 3 and length is 3B. So 1 unknown, 1
3B,
equation.
108
So
and
6
B
into,
you will get it as 6.
6 meter. So length you will calculate
Get
it as
12,
12
6
meter.
into 2.
So 12 into 6 is 72. 72 into 3 is
So
going
3,
to give us
216.
216 meter. So I told we'll do one last problem, and I started the 16th one. So I hope you all read the question, right? Did you?
No.
No. Okay. There is a wall that is built of length 10 meter, height 10 meter, and thickness 24 centimeter. Okay. Now, obviously, to build this, we need the bricks. So each brick's dimension is going to be 24 into 12 into 8. Okay. They're asking how many such bricks are needed
Sir,
to construct this wall. Tell me.
Sir, the height is actually 4 meters.
Height is 4.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, wait. Height of the wall is 4 meters. Sorry. So height of the wall is 4 meter.
4 meters.
Okay, listen to this carefully now. My target is to find the number of bricks that are required. So if I calculate volume of each brick, then volume of each brick multiplied with
Volume
X
of the
number
wall by volume of the brick, sir.
yes. So volume of each brick multiplied with the number of bricks should cover the total volume of the wall. So number will be equal to volume of wall by volume of brick. So volume of wall is going to be how much? It is going to be 4 into 10 into 24 into 10 power minus 2. Why did I write this 10 power minus 2?
Sir, because it's in centimeter.
Yes. So I want you all to get used to exponents also. 1 centimeter is 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The whole divided by what is the volume of brick? The book is away from me. What is it?
24, it's given as 24 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter.
So everything is in centimeter. No. So I would suggest one thing is convert this meter into centimeter so that it will be easy.
Yeah,
So
there'll be
4
no
into 10 power
decimals.
2 into 10 into 10 power 2 into 24 divided by 24 into 12 into 8. Now everything in terms of centimeter, numerator and denominator. So 24,
24,
20
24
will get
from here.
correct only, no?
20,
So 2,
24, yeah.
so this is 2 times 6 times. This okay, they're going to cancel it 3 times, no? So now you're going to have 5 here and 4 here. So if you observe 5 into 100 into 100 divided by 3 into 4. This will cancel this 25 times. So 25 into 100, 25 into 5 is 125. So 12500 divided by 3. How much is it going to give us? 4.
4166.
Point?
0.67.
0.67. So for you to have this 0.67, you need 4167 bricks minimum. So these are the number of bricks that are required. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a simple problem only. See, the tough, I believe the challenge you have in this is only dealing with the numbers, right?
Calculation.
Yes, calculation part, there are two logics I already gave you. One is don't deal with decimal. Second is wherever possible, deal with exponents. Okay, don't deal with decimal values. You will get stuck. Okay, this will help you for physics also. Okay.
Okay.
Especially when you're solving problem based on Archimedes principle. No? There are also a lot of calculations are there because of the densities. So at that point, exponents will help you. Okay. So keep trying in this way. In tomorrow's class, we'll discuss the next set of problems. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow when do we have class, sir?
Update you. I heard that you have school. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm not sure. Once I get an update from the school management, I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.